Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a little bonus video today. I wanted to show you the September Mixed Media Minnesota kit. So Shannon has 50 kits available. So if you like what you see, you better hop on over there and get one for yourself. So September is steampunk. So how fun is this? Oh my gosh, there are gears and things. So let me show you what's in the kit. First of all, there's this beautiful piece of fabric. Look at that. Won't that make a fun fabric flip? Yeah. So pictures of the world, there's compasses and writing. It's wonderful. Then there's lace. This is Stamperia Lace. It doesn't give any particular name, but it's a nice size lace that will go with a lot of things from Stamperia. There's a Tim Holtz vintage photo distress ink. Awesome. You know I can always use those. And then look at this. This is so fun. They're the metallics of the distress crayons. So there's gold, silver, and copper. Or sorry, antique bronze. Antique bronze and then the gold and the silver. Those are so fun. And then there are little chipboard embellishments, little keys, and this little key has wings, gear on the top of this one with a little spout down here. So super fun. This one is one whole piece. Can you see that? One whole piece that is gears and a faucet. And so actually perfect for a cover, don't you think? Just, yeah, I think that's perfect for a cover. And then there's some little metal gears. Oh, these could be fun. Like you could put a metal gear on top of the chipboard. See, my brain's already going. It's already going. Wow, that's cool. Tim Holtz, a whole clipping sticker book. And this has all the phrases and everything. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Learning to fly. That would be a good one for steampunk. But yeah, so a whole thing. It's 8 pages of these wonderful quotes and things. So there's that. There's some gorgeous pearls. Oh, I don't even know what to say that color is. It's like a, let's see, does it say? Pewter. It says pewter. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? And then look at the stamp you get with the cogs and the wheels. Cogs and gears. Cogs and gears. Let me use my proper steampunk language. And then there's a stencil also. That's gears. Oh boy. And then Stamperia paper once again. And it's the steampunk rice paper. Be splendid and choose adventure. Adventure is waiting. Oh, that's awesome. So pretty. And then here is the 12 by 12. This is, I was looking for a name on it. I'm sure you'll find it though, where, you know, in terms of, if you miss out on the kits, you'll find it at the Stamperia Steampunk collection, I guess. But don't miss out on the kits. Get over there and get it done. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And then kind of a crackly back. Look at this with the blueprint type things. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that damask. Isn't that gorgeous? There's nothing like a dream to create the future. It's got the old railroad and some. This is a perfect kit for a guy's journal. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, makes a wonderful guy's journal. And then there is the last piece, the journaling cards. So that is the September kit. I also have some digitals to show you that are in the Mixed Media Minnesota shop. Look at all this fun stuff to play with. Oh my gosh, yes. That is going to be fun. Thank you so much, Shannon. And like I say, get over there because she's got 50 kits. And so if you're looking for something to make a guy's journal, that's the kit for you. Okay, let's just see what digitals she sent. This is super fun too. So, get rid of the bag there. Let's see, do I need to move in a little bit for those? Maybe just a skosh. Okay, so these are a few pages from their newest digitals. See full sets on our Etsy store. So these are not full sets. They're just a few pages, she said, of each one. So this one is called Last Rose of Summer. Oh my gosh, look at these neat borders that she's added here. That's really cool. I'm going to stick that back on. Some little journaling cards. Oh, isn't that cute? Super cute. Some writing pages. Oh, that is awesome. Oops. And then look at the collage page. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so that is Last Rose of Summer. And then look, they've got a steampunk. So you could get their digital too and have that go along with some of your, if you do a journal with the kit. Oh, those are great. Love the owl. Holy cow. Awesome. And then large tags. An envelope. Oh my gosh. I'm going to turn this the other way so you can see. Isn't that so cool? Awesome. And then the collage. Oh, that looks so good. And I love that owl. Oh my land. He is awesome with his little gears on his eyes. So cool. This is cool. It's got an octopus watch. Really neat. Yes, I think if you get the kit, you need the digitals too. If you've got the option to do digitals, got a printer and stuff. Okay, Vintage Rose. This is called, and here's the sample pages for it. Beautiful. I like the size of those banners. Those are awesome. Okay, and some envelopes. Oh, look at the old pictures. That's really cool. And there's, I don't know if you can see them well, but there's little men under like layers back. That's really awesome. There's the roses. There's the roses she's talking about. And vintagey feel with the carriage. Ooh, that's pretty too. The roses. So those are the digital kits as well at Mixed Media Minnesota. So yeah, so I know what last time I looked, the September kit was in her shop. So if you're interested, pop over and grab one. So thanks everybody so much for watching. The information for Mixed Media Minnesota, the link to the Etsy will be in the description box right down there. Thanks everybody. Have a grateful day. We'll see you next time. Bye.